All right, so we thought we'd give you a little bit of an update on what's going on with this project. A customer about crapped himself when he kind of saw how it was going. Sometimes these things got to get ugly before they get beautiful again. So we're gonna kind of walk you through what we've sort of done. From this vantage point, car looks pretty much the same. And then you look in here and there's literally, we've removed all the suspension, steering, wiring, pretty much everything from completely under the hood. We went through and prepped these areas, welded up a bunch of holes and fixed some issues. We'll prep the frame a little bit more, and then we're gonna hot rod block this thing. Then we went over and we made this cool panel here to cover up the big ugly heater box hole. It's getting vintage air, so all the heater hoses and the AC lines are gonna come out under the fender. They run underneath the fender and then kind of come out here, go to the engine. It looks pretty clean, pretty nice. Right now at this point, there's not a lot of interior left in the car. Seats and stuff are all out. We're gonna relocate the battery to the trunk. Massive pile of parts here. Anybody ever wanted to see what our 2G suspension kit looks like? Here's our control arms, our C5 big brake kit. It's our true bolt-in coilover kit with the Viking coilovers, our adjustable upper arms, got our Riddler wheels. I don't know, I think Mike's got pretty much our whole deal. There's one of our Pro Touring steering boxes. Here's the cool thing you're gonna see is out back, all the stuff that we took off of the car. So if anybody, this is actually original numbers matching 350 SS RS car. We have the date coded, I don't remember what it was, July, whatever, 350. It's a 300 horse. We've got the Muncie 4-speed, and we have all the linkages and stuff too. This thing even had the where you have to put it in reverse to get the key out. So we've got some parts out here if anybody's interested in this stuff to contact me and I'll talk to the owner about it. The motor seemed to run just fine. I think it might have a slight cam in it. Everything looks pretty stock. It's still got the manifolds on it. He does have the stock intake manifold and everything for this thing. Again, it's an M21, I believe, Muncie. Worked just fine. We're putting a 5-speed in it. So, anyways, if anybody's looking for any of this stuff, you know, let us know. And you know, as we make progress and stuff, we'll keep you posted. And as far as my stuff goes, still here. So anyways, but we got the engine for the orange car all ready to go. We got to bolt the tranny to it, slap it in there once we get the engine compartment done. So anyways, next video we'll probably show all that once we get the engine compartment done and looking good, get the drivetrain in it, and then it's just assembly from there. That's the fun part, really, is just putting you know, all the decorations on the cake. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Thank you.